hike on the Klondike Highway, about halfway between Dawson and Whitehorse.
And we're catching the last little bit of a thunderstorm right above us.
We drove through part of the rainstorm, but
there we go.
There's the thunder.
Hey everybody, here we are in Miles Canyon, Whitehorse, which is a really kind of beautiful place, but a super dangerous place where all the early prospectors had to ferry their supplies and equipment through this like really narrow channel, and they all crashed and lost all their stuff, and many people died, and they had to get special pilots to guide them through, or they paid money to have it shipped around. But we're on this trail called the Canyon City Trail that just goes along the mighty Yukon River as it gets close to Whitehorse. We're enjoying a nice little hike, and a Sunday we're actually at an RV park taking it easy. And what did we get to do yesterday?
Take a warm hot shower that we don't pay for by the minute, and also do lots of laundry, and we got some takeaway for dinner, which was a treat.
Yeah.
And just little errands and stuff like that. Take advantage of Wi-Fi.
Dumped the gray water tanks, uploaded some videos, got some stuff done. But today we're going to go to some museums, and we're going to go see the Beringa Museum and the Aviation Museum, and we'll probably do a grocery shop because we're going to head out of town for another 5 days or so. But yeah, we've now been on the road for 2 full weeks pretty much in northern BC and the Yukon, and having a great time. And yeah, it's been going well. The truck's been doing great. The camper's been doing awesome. We've been figuring everything out, learning to live in a very tight, small space.
Yeah, there's some positives. Like we're again being a bit more patient. You have to do a daily tidy of the camper because things just get one t-shirt out of place makes it look like a tornado. But yeah, we're just right now we're surrounded by bugs, but we're just going with the flow. Yeah, sometimes I have to just change my attitude because, like the showers weren't ideal and the water pressure wasn't great. But I'm like, hey, I get to take a hot shower. These are amazing things. So I just got to be grateful for the little things. We ate that giant cinnamon roll for the last 2 days. So that was pretty fun. And taking advantage of slowing down and reading and talking to people in the trailer park. It's been really fun.
Yeah, so we're heading out of Whitehorse for another 4 or 5 days along the Alaska Highway. We're going to work our way to Haines Junction, I think, and maybe even further.
To the Alaska border?
Yeah, but we can't go into the States yet, so we're going to hold off on that. But we're going to go camp for a few more days and then probably come back to Whitehorse and resupply and then go back out for a few more days because the Yukon's so nice and we're having such a good time here.
Yeah.
And looking forward to the next stage of our trip, but we don't want to rush this part too much.
Okay.
All right, well, talk to you soon. It's a wobbly dock.